If you have carpet tiles, you will know the pain of when your carpet tile stickers stop sticking. And that's why I got this roll of carpet tile tape. Not only have we moved our carpet tiles multiple times, but also I will often be pulling up carpet tiles when a cat makes a mess or some water spills. If there's ever a problem, it's why I have carpet tiles in the first place, is that they're super easy to clean, but I need more adhesive to put them back together after I've cleaned them. And what's really great about this tape is that it's super, super sticky. It seems to have an extra layer of adhesive goo on the bottom of it than standard tapes. I've been trying to use duct tape and it really just doesn't hold in the same way this kind of tape does, as this is really meant for holding carpet tiles together. Now, as it says here, it's super strong. It doesn't have any residue, which I can verify my fingers are not sticky after doing that. It is moisture resistant, which is key as our carpet tiles are in our basement and I really need something that can hold up to that. And it's commercial grade. And you can use it in a variety of ways. I plan to use it while keeping this paper on it and just use that stickum to hold almost more like a standard tape. But it is double-sided, so you can definitely use it to not only hold your carpet tiles together, but also have them held to the surface they're on to really keep them in place. So if you're like me and need a lot of tile tape, this is a great one. I am going to be using this all the time.